Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. One hadith, one story. Today's story title is The Race. Khalid was a good child. Unfortunately, he had lost his sight in a traffic accident, but he never gave up on life. Every day, he demonstrated that he could manage to live without being a burden to others. Many times, he even went from his village to the town and came back all by himself. Such a brave boy. In the same village, there is an arrogant boy called Usman. One day, Usman wanted to make fun of Khalid and challenged him to a race from the village to the town. Khalid accepted. Okay, but on one condition. If I win the race, you will give me your jacket. Usman laughed. If you win, you can have the jacket, he said. Khalid had one more condition. I set the time for the race. Usman thought that Khalid would never win, so he agreed. Khalid set the time of the race for a moonless night. What a smart boy. The road to the town passed through the forest. It didn't matter to Khalid if it was night or day. He walked as he always did and reached the town. But Usman got lost. He fell down into many holes and branches whipped his face. He arrived in the town half an hour later than Khalid. Poor Usman! If only he had known the following hadith of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then he wouldn't have acted in such a way. Hadith Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah revealed to me, be humble and let none of you be arrogant toward others. Friends, never make fun of anyone. I hope you like this story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.